Good day. We all know that having family problems is just normal. This is encountered by families. So now I'm here with my mother, and she's Mrs. Kakal. And Mrs. Kakal, may I know what is your family problem that you have encountered or you're encountering right now?
Ang masasabi ko lang, wala tayong problema, no? Pero hindi naman tayo perfecto. Ang ano ko lang, nung sa aming pamilya, nung nagkasakit ang tatay mo, di ba na-stroke, medyo na ano tayo sa financial problem. Yun lang ang aking nung siya nagkasakit. Oo, maayos naman ang aking pamilya dito.
For my question, how did you overcome regarding with this family problem?
Sa tulong ng mga kapatid ko, yung sa kapatid ng tatay mo, at saka, yun ang ano ko, sa tulong ng aking mga saka yung may pension naman din, di ba, tatay mo, na napagkakaisya ko natin.
So, can you give me a particular person or persons that help you with this problem?
Siya si Bubog, kapatid ko, si Tita Judy mo.
And of course, we all know that. And after you have given a solution with this family problem, what have you gained after this? Or Tagalog po, ano ang inyong tanto or ang inyong feedback matapos po nito matapos yung ma-resolve ba?
Alam mo, sa tulong na rin ng ating Panginoon, talagang sa Kanya ako nahingi ng tulong na huwag tayong pabayaan. Yun siguro ang aking kumapit tayo sa Panginoon. Yun ang aking masasagot.
So, I thank you for those things that you have said. These things are worthy. And once again, thank you very much, Mrs. Karas. And that's all.
Thank you. Adios, very good.